Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. This, as many of you know, is the Rancilio Silvia. It's an espresso machine that's been around for more than 23 years. And it's one of my favorite machines. It's one of the most talked about machines on the internet. And it's a true classic espresso machine with many of the solid features of a commercial machine. There's been small upgrades over the years, but most of us have been waiting for some really big upgrades, and those big upgrades are finally here. Within the next month or two, Rancilio is going to release the Rancilio Silvia Pro, and on this machine will be dual boilers, a PID, and a hot water spout. All features that are going to make the Rancilio Silvia one of the best espresso machines on the market for home use. So if you'd like to reserve your Rancilio Silvia Pro, just email us or visit our website, and we'd be happy to help you out.